At Carolina Center for Cosmetic Surgery, we welcome every patient to our practice. Enlarged breast tissue in males is a common condition called gynecomastia. This can be the result of a hormone imbalance in the body. Enlarged breast tissue can be corrected with a breast reduction procedure. Sometimes, liposuction is enough to correct the condition. Other treatments include removal of glandular tissue and excess skin to reshape the chest into a flatter and more sculpted appearance. Conversely, males who desire a more prominent chest may benefit from pectoral implants. Made of silicone, pectoral implants are used to augment the natural contours of the chest. To place a pectoral implant, your surgeon will create an incision in the armpit for the implant to be placed. The implant is positioned securely under the pectoral muscle and the incision is sutured close to heal. We are dedicated to finding an optimal solution to all our patients' needs, and we strive to help you select the cosmetic treatment plan that is right for you.